Welcome back. It's now time for the business day. Listed company MPC Caribbean Clean Energy has signed an agreement to acquire the San Isidro Solar Park in El Salvador. The acquisition is subject to customary conditions and expected to be closed in the first quarter of 2021. MPC said its investment company, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy Fund, was the vehicle which it used to acquire the solar park. The deal was signed on Tuesday and MPC made the announcement in a filing to the stock exchange today. MPC Caribbean Clean Energy says the solar park will help to avoid an estimated 36,000 tons of carbon emissions throughout its lifetime. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $143.29. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.67. The pound now costs $190.30, while the euro is going for $177.74. Stocks ended mostly higher for a second day in a row as investors turning to equities sent the JC index higher by 4,683 points. The junior market index also gained, closing up 27 points. The best performers this Christmas Eve were Iron Rock Insurance, Portland JSX, Express Catering, Radio Jamaica, and iCreate. On the other hand, the worst performing stocks were Epley 7.5% preference shares, CNWJ, Lasco Financial, 138 Student Living, and MPC Caribbean. And that's the Business Day. International stories when we return. Please stay with us.